Top 5 Email Marketing Mistakes to Avoid. Email marketing is a great marketing strategy that has a very low entry cost and potentially astronomical yield. This is one of the most engaging and targeted forms of marketing that gives you a direct line to your visitors' pockets. But while email marketing can become one of the easiest ways to build trust and make money in the long term, it often takes a while before you reach that point. That's because email marketing is also something else: complicated. In this presentation, I'll be taking a look at 5 of the biggest mistakes that beginners make that prevent them from making progress. 1. Using email marketing to advertise. A lot of people are confused by the difference between marketing and advertising, especially online. That's why they will often send emails that are nothing but ads, telling readers to buy X new product or click buy today. Would you stay subscribed to an email list that just tried to sell to you all the time? 2. Trying to trick the reader. You may even have read that this one was a good strategy somewhere. Certain bloggers and marketers advocate using subject lines like "I need your help" or "You've won" in order to get attention. Assuming these pass the spam filter, all this does is to create ill will with your list. No one likes to feel like they've been duped, so stop doing it. 3. Making the incentive too good. Your incentive is a free product, such as an ebook or a report that you offer in exchange for an email. This is a great way to get people to sign up who were otherwise on the fence. But do not make your free report sound so good that people sign up for the book without being interested in the messages. There's no point luring in subscribers who won't read your future messages. So keep this to something good, but not too amazing. 4. Not being consistent. In so many aspects of life, consistency is absolutely key. This is definitely true of internet marketing. So make sure that you send your messages regularly and with a consistent tone and subject matter. That's the only way you can make sure that your subscribers will be looking for your future messages. 5. Focusing on quantity rather than quality. Not only in terms of your content, but also in terms of your subscribers themselves, the focus should always be on quality rather than quantity. This is why you should forget ever buying emails and always focus on engagement and targeting.